Hey guys, that's a funny still frame. Tom Hanks' face is classic. This kind person said, you should make a burping video. Smiley face. So here we go. I did that one without the Dr. Pepper. Yeah. And we gotta keep going. Classic. Ew. Seriously, Maurizio 6623, why? Why would you do this to me? And we gotta keep going. Can't burp anymore. Oh, wait. Oh, God. Almost threw up a little bit. Got like such a wide range of burps. Oh, Lord. To know that I can burp. Disgusting. Oh my God. Hitting the walls of my stomach. Disgusting. Yay! Don't do it. This is also to show how stupid I am sometimes. And I am. There you go. Thank you for giving me this idea. Should be used to it. Well, one more for the road.